Lob it to him. Hey, this guy's 6'7", bro. Hey, let me lob it. All right, baby. Dunk it, just dunk it. Run again. How old are you, bro? 15. Big ass 15-year-old, man. Hey, this guy's your age, bro. 1 year old younger than. Hey, stand up still. Just stand up. What are you doing, bro? Shouldn't rock those.
Can I just rock them for just one game?
Nigga.
Please, just one game?
Alright, go ahead. What's up, bro? You gonna play?
I don't know yet.
I don't know yet. Still thinking? Hell yeah.
That's my boy, though.
Oh yeah? Oh, he's tall as fuck. For a 15? For real, he's only 15, right?
He's our future.
Hell yeah, hey, make Clearfield go up, bro. Clearfield High School go up. I went there too, bro. I graduated there like 4 years ago. Yeah. You want to Clearfield? Oh, you going to Clearfield?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's what's up, bro. Falcon Pride. Alright, ball in. Hey, give it to Shaq. Give it to Rudy Gobert. Hey, feed the big man. Feed your big man. So just playing the 7? Ooh. Vedi, Ego Meribu Chakiri. Ego Meribu. He's your age. He's only 15. Him.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
I'm older, but he's tall.
Yeah, bro.
God damn. Give me your height.
Bro, he's only 15. Yeah. Ego Meribu yürü. Ego Meribu yürü. He is sophomore in Clearfield.
God damn. That's why, because he plays like
No, he, what's up, Tua?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Right here.
Saw that.
Fuck! Matzo me. Get that ball. Said it's over. Kamu tuh terus kintur kecaran mana? Oh! Hey, dunk him, man. Loose ball. That's a, look at that was a loose ball. Hey, get the ball. Get the ball. Play good. Play good. Masuk pada masuk good. Okay, Jay, do that. Quick on to the side and go straight in. Oh, that was a push off, bro. That's illegal. He elbowed Guido. Huh? I said it's a legal move from Darren to Wino. He elbowed him. Go for play rough. Play good, play good. Play good. Boss, I got in church. They also play there, so. Steve. Show us. Oh shit. Dunk it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Come on, Kimber. Ah, shoot that, shoot that. Oh!